Conditions in northern New Mexico have calmed down quite a bit.
But as Julian Pata shows us from Las Vegas, the storm is still slowing people down.
Well, Mother Nature has taken a break and given us a chance, as well as other folks in Las Vegas, to catch their breath. After blizzard conditions swarm this area, patrol teams are still working to make sure they can clear the streets as best as possible. And people here say they are relieved it's finally calmed down because they say shoveling snow was getting a little tiring.
Oh man, it was terrible. We had to shovel driveways and yards, and you have to be prepared. I'm always a guy that likes to prepare myself, but this one caught me off guard.
Well, now that the storm is over, many people's cars are submerged or covered in snow. And with temperatures dropping overnight, the snow is starting to turn to ice, becoming harder to remove. While some telling us this snow could be a good thing for the area, they're warning others to stay off the roads until they feel more confident.
Stay home, keep warm, and don't travel if you don't need to.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
Now, temperatures tonight are expected to drop below 20 degrees, but the roads, from what we're seeing right now, are looking a lot more open than they did yesterday. In Las Vegas, Julian Patas, KRWT Action 7 News.